Are you suffering from constant joint pain? Now you can not only stop the pain, you can rebuild your knees and joints from the inside out with this new knee candy. Harvard doctor and Army veteran discovers stunning medical breakthrough to help ailing seniors. From Dr. Gregory Smith, MD. Is there nothing but bone left in your joints? Are your joints in excruciating pain? Do you hear clicking, grinding, or popping when you move your joints? Is the pain so bad you're considering injections, dangerous drugs, or even a joint replacement? If your pain occurs often, you might consider knee candy gummies. For more information, go to daryl.com/jointpain to get the details. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.